Hi, my name is Arjun, and today, I want to share my story. A story that still brings tears to my eyes, but one that taught me the biggest lesson of my life. I grew up in a small town, in a home filled with love. My father was a man of principles, and my mother was the heart of our home. I have an elder brother, Raghav. We weren't just brothers, we were best friends. We shared everything, our secrets, our dreams, and our fears. Life was simple and beautiful. But as we grew older, things changed. I don't know when it began, but a distance started to creep in between us. Maybe it was the pressures of life or the responsibilities that come with age. I started noticing things that annoyed me about Raghav. He was always telling me what to do, always acting like he knew better. I felt overshadowed, and my pride wouldn't let me accept it. One day, we had a fight. A terrible fight. It started with something small, but the anger in my heart turned it into a storm. I said things I shouldn't have, and so did he. That night, we stopped talking to each other. At first, I told myself it didn't matter. Why should I apologize? I thought, he's the one who's wrong. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months. Our silence grew louder, and my ego grew stronger. Life moved on. I got married and had children. Raghav did the same. But we lived like strangers in the same city. We stopped attending family gatherings together. Our children didn't know each other. Every time I saw him at a festival or wedding, we exchanged cold, polite smiles, as if we were strangers. But deep down, I missed him. I missed our late-night talks, our laughter, and the way we used to dream about the future together. I missed my brother. Years passed, and one day, my father fell seriously ill. I rushed to the hospital, and there he was. Raghav, sitting by our father's side. He looked older, tired, and sad. I wanted to say something, but my pride held me back. Our father called us closer. With tears in his eyes, he said, "I have lived a full life, but seeing my sons like this breaks my heart. Don't wait until it's too late to fix what is broken." Those words hit me like a lightning bolt. My father was dying, and here I was, clinging to my ego. That night, I couldn't sleep. Memories of our childhood flooded my mind. The way Raghav used to protect me when I got into trouble. The way he used to share his favorite snacks with me. The way we used to laugh until our stomachs hurt. I realized how much time we had wasted being angry. The next day, I went to Raghav's house. When he opened the door, I couldn't hold back my tears. I hugged him tightly and said, "I'm sorry, bye. I've missed you so much." He cried too and said, "I've missed you too, Arjun." I was waiting for this moment. That day, we let go of all the anger, all the pride, and all the hurt. We promised never to let anything come between us again. We brought our families together, and for the first time, our children played together, laughing and shouting like we used to. Now, every Sunday, we meet as one big family. We laugh, we share stories, and we celebrate the bond that we almost lost. This experience taught me that life is too short for grudges. Ego and pride can destroy the most beautiful relationships, but love and forgiveness can heal even the deepest wounds. If there's someone in your life you've lost because of misunderstandings, don't wait. Swallow your pride, take the first step, and make things right. Because one day, it might be too late. Arjun's story reminds us all of the power of forgiveness and the importance of family. Don't let ego and pride steal your happiness. If you believe in love, second chances, and emotional connections, like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to our channel for more heartfelt stories. Let's grow and learn together.